no! What happened to the bridge? The sand is washed away. How do I cross this river? It's time to build a concrete bridge here. Ho-ho! The sand for the bridge foundation is here. Then, let's spread it evenly. Next, let's place the bridge edges. And the mesh over the sand. Here comes the concrete mixer.
How to build the concrete mixer truck. 1. Build the tractor uni, battery box, the motor, the gear set, the front wheels, the rear wheels, wheel fenders, steering wheel, exhaust pipe, add the seat. 2. Build the concrete mixer trailer. First, I'll build the base frame around this motor. Next, I'll make the mixer support frame. Add the gear, add the wheels. Mixing drum. The drum can tilt forward and backward smoothly whenever unloading is needed. Spinning motor. This motor will keep the drum rotating smoothly, so all the materials are mixed evenly. Connect mixer trailer to tractor unit. Testing. Lego bricks.
Time to mix some concrete.
Sand. Cement.
Water. Whoa! The concrete is ready. Whoa! The bridge deck is full. I'll smooth the concrete out. Whoa! Now I'll paint the road markings. All that's left is adding street lights. And the railings. This bridge looks amazing. Finally, crossing the river is easy again.
Last episode, tower crane and piston lifting crane were used to pull cars out of sand and snow holes. In this episode, let's see if there are other ways to get cars unstuck. In a deserted area.
Stop, you thief!
You take this.
There's a sand hole. I'm stuck. How to get my car unstuck from this sand hole?
Stay calm.
The bulldozer is here.
What can this vehicle do?
Don't worry.
My bulldozer will lift you out of the hole.
But how about the sand hole?
I have an idea.
I'll turn this sand hole into an underpass. 4 cars to cross between 2 sides of the road. The underpass is complete. Put a bridge over it, and done.
Thanks for your help. I need to chase the thief now.
This underpass leads straight to my house. How convenient.
Do you have another way to get your car unstuck?
Please move to the 2nd floor.
The bridge is down.
Please proceed. Maintain a safe speed. Thank you for your cooperation. Use your parking pass for entry.
The bridge is about to be lowered. Please wait. Caution!
That's hurt.
It's my fault. I'll fix it right now. Please wait until the bridge is fully down. Please maintain a safe speed. Slow down and ensure safety.
I'm sorry. Are you okay?
Terrible. Someone has to upgrade this movable bridge.
Add the bridge. Add the engine. How does it work? Ramp access here. Ramp exit here. Please use the empty spaces for parking.
A few moments later.
Let's come back home. Hey, caution.
Stop.
Tickets are currently being verified. All clear. Have a nice day. Mr. Hand, help me.
Let's see what tilt bridge can do.
Huh?
When is my turn?
Haha, no problem.
Awesome! Look, there's another train going there.
Oh my god, I need to fix it. To be continued.